Okay, Preston Worktop's going to go through a few colours in a range we've got here. This is the flow range. That's concrete flow, rusty flow, 9 flow. So there you go, that's a 9 flow. So it's ABS edge, which is the plastic rubber front there, colour matched. Square edge, 3 metres 630mm. So it's got a texture feel to it. As you can see, it's like a concrete wash, very dark one. Obviously the rusty steel as it is there. That's the concrete flow. And this is the concrete flow. A concrete wash there, nice colour that one. ABS edge. And that's the rusty flow. All in stock, got a few left of each. Obviously the concrete flow is selling out pretty fast. Rusty steel there, quite a nice colour as well, unusual. So if you're interested, give us a call on 07 305 184 200. Cheapest worktops anywhere.